Hello, spirited pixel lover. How are you? I hope you are well. Today we will be making a components in Figma app. Maybe do you know what components is? So, this feature is so powerful that it will be saving your time in designing an app or a web page. I really like this feature because of its simplicity. It really helps my designs whenever I'm doing a projects. So, I hope these tutorials will help you in many ways. Okay then, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. But before that, let's have an intro. Today I want to show you that I have some problems right here, but I will tell you before. I got a project from one of my college that he told me to build some kind of UI for village. So I found a problem when I get this like very long list of some kind of letter service for the village. As you can see here, if I unclip this, you will see that there are so many letters. So I will check this again, recheck this, and I will tell you about the problem that I work on. So this is the prototype. So as you scroll down these letters, you will find that this one right here, this is a long list of a text, and it's a overflow of one of these card. Okay? But if I change one of this card, if I change one of this card, oops, sorry. If I change one of these cards like this, see, it's okay, but this card right here is not the same as is it above. So it doesn't look eye-catching. As a designer, you will meet this kind of problem. And how to solve this is easy actually. Go to the master component, go to the main component like this. And if you see on this rack here, you will see that the master components is different, is had different icon than of its slave component. Okay, so you can change, and remember, just change the rectangle, not this text, because if you change of this all layer, then the text also will what's it called, also change. So don't do that. Instead, change the layer until you satisfy, and don't forget to hold down the alt button. Alright, still and you can move the text also. Perfect. Okay, how to create these master components, I will tell you. First, I will have to knit this kind of header. Okay, I will call this tutorial. just create a card like this, and don't forget to change of the size also. 36. Perfect. Color is white. And the effects, first drop shadow and maybe some blur. Too blurry. Or we can just copy this shadow. Alright. Don't forget the radius. Too many. Okay. Now, first make a text right here. Maybe some services letter. Or maybe mortgage tax request. I don't know if it exists, but I just kind of guessing. Okay, I really like the color of this, so this is 666, not too black. Yeah, just like that, and select all of this rectangle, click and hold down the shift button and click this, and right click and create component, and you can name it letter 1 like that. So in the next time you copy paste this, it will automatically create a slave components on top of this layer. Yeah, like that. So whenever you want to change the rectangle, the card, you can change all the way to the slave components. So here we are, friends. Today we make a functional component in Figma. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification icon to get updated for my next video. Oh yeah, if you missed these tutorials, make sure to click on that right button above to see about how to make an animation UI in Android Studio. And of course, make it pop means make it rain. See you on the next video.